Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about data tables. So here data tables located under the data and under what if analysis, it's located here. So before applying this tool, we need to find the expenses for 2016 here. So in order to use data table, we have to have the expenses for 1 year at least. So here I want to apply that. I just write here equal sign, select my fixed expense, multiply by bracket 1 plus 7% here. So because it increases 7%, so I use the plus, but if it decreases, so I have to use the minus. So I just press enter. You can see here it increased 7%, so I have this $58,850. So now it's ready for using the data tables. So first of all, I just select all of these with the header, all of these. After that, I come to what if analysis, data table, and here you can see I want to apply changes based on this percentage. So these are located in one column, so I select column, and here I select the 7% because I have calculated this one based on that. So I just press OK. If I want to delete here just one cell, I cannot do that. So if I click here and delete, I cannot change part of a data table. Okay, so if I want to delete, I have to select the entire table and press delete. So I don't want to delete this, so I just Control Z. Okay, so I want to apply one other example. So we can have row and also we can have column, both of those. So I come here to the example, and here you can see it's the sales for 2018, and here we have the sale price, and I have the unit and also the expected increase. So first of all, for 2018 I have to calculate here. So first of all, I just write here equal sign, sale price multiply by sales units multiply 1 plus 7%, close the bracket and enter. As you can see, I have found the estimated income for 2018. So now I can apply my data table. So I select all of this table except the year. So after that, I come to what if analysis, data table, and here I have two scenario here. You can see row input cell, it's the row located. What is this? So it's the sales price. So I should select the sales price here. So the next one, the column input is percentage. So I select this and OK. You can see the magic here. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.